Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a channel art or a cover for a YouTube channel in just 5 minutes. So at first I will visit canva.com. Now I'll add a timer. I'll search timer in Google and now I'll start it. Now I'll click on create a design YouTube channel art. It's loading, page is loading. Okay. Now I'll search for a template. I like this one. You can search any template here or create your own also. Now I'll change the background of it. I like this one. I like this background. Now I'll change the text. Zach to Tech Gaming. Okay, it's done. Now I will resize it. But at first I will copy the text and create and write something else. I'll write new videos every Sundays. That's it. Now it looks good. Now I'll resize it and paste it just below the check to gaming. Okay, it looks good. Now I select the whole part and resize it. Okay, now I will take it and place it on the middle. Okay, that's it. Now it looks good. Now I can change the color of it also, color of the gamepad also. Okay, that's it. Now my cover is complete. As you guys can see, now I will download it. That's it. It's preparing a design. So almost 2.5 minutes are left. It is taking some time. Okay, till 2 minutes left. Okay, my channel art is complete. Now I'll click on continue editing. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like it.